Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving into the essential maintenance of the HP Pavilion 15. To get started, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and a soft microfiber cloth. Let's begin by shutting down your laptop and removing the power source to ensure safety. Next, flip the laptop over to access the screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them for reassembly later. It's important to note the position of each screw since they can vary in size. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious here, you want to avoid damaging any clips. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. Now that the back panel is off, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to assess the area for dust accumulation. Using your can of compressed air, carefully blow out any dust from the vents and fans. This is crucial to prevent overheating, which can lead to performance issues. Remember, if you don't have the tools or prefer a professional touch, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for convenience. Next, let's clean the fan. Gently hold the fan in place while you blow out dust. This will prevent the fan from spinning too fast and possibly causing damage. After cleaning, take your microfiber cloth and gently wipe down any surfaces inside, avoiding sensitive components. It's also a good time to check the battery connections. Make sure the battery is securely connected and check for any signs of wear. If you notice any issues, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, allowing you to understand what needs to be done without any pressure. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel onto the device, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you previously removed, tightening them firmly but not overly so, as this could strip the screws. Once everything is back in place, power on your laptop and check that it's functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know the costs before committing. In summary, maintaining your HP Pavilion 15 involves regular cleaning and checks on internal components. This not only helps in prolonging the life of your device but also ensures optimal performance. For those who prefer not to DIY, our services include no calls, no travel, making maintenance easy and hassle-free. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.